Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to any if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to click the subscribe button and share the link of the channel to someone out there. Alright. So we have a problem on the board on inequalities. Okay, the question says we should find the range of values of x for which we have 3/4 x minus 2 is less than what? 4. So how do we solve this problem? Now, when you're solving inequalities, you want to solve it like, normal algebra. So we want to solve this finding the value of what x, like we solve normal algebra when this is what an equal to sign, all right? But all you need to do is there is one very basic condition, right? Whenever you are dividing both sides with a negative sign, okay, you have to change the sign. So if you have the sign, okay, which is less than, okay, whenever you're dividing both sides with negative, you have to change it to this. And if you have this sign, you have to change it to this. It is less than or equal to, so you have to change it to greater than or equal to. But if you have greater than or equal to, and you're dividing with negative, you have to change it to less than or equal to. So that is the rule, okay? But if you have greater than also, you can change it to what less. All right. So whenever you divide, an inequality with a negative word coefficient, you want to change this to this, and this to this. Right. So let's solve the problem. Okay. Like we're solving algebra. So the first now to recognize we have 3 over 4 x minus 2. We can write this in fraction as 2 over 1. Okay, is less than, I can write this in fraction as 4 over 1. Okay. Now, whenever you have fractions like this, you want to remove them by what? Multiplying through by the LCM. So our LCM, okay, of what? We have 4, 1, and what? 1. Okay, so 4, 1, and 1 is still what? 4. Since this is 1, 1, so the LCM is simply 4 multiply any of these ones. All right, so our LCM is 4. So 1 multiply this by 4, multiply this by 4, and multiply this by 4. So let's do that. So we have 4, okay, multiply 3 over what? 4x, okay, minus what? 4 is going to multiply 2 over 1, okay, so we have less than, and 4 is going to multiply itself here, okay. So we now have this expression. So is there anything we can do to solve further? Yes. Now for the left-hand side, okay, this 4 can cancel. This 4 is 1, 1, so we are left with 1 times 3x, which is also what? 3x, okay? 1 times 1 is 2 over 1, which is still this, minus 4 times 2 is what? 8, okay? So we have less than what? 4 times 4 is what? 16, okay? Now that we simplified the whole what? You know, inequality to this, we can now what? Further what? Simplify by what? Now, how do we remove this 8 from both sides? All you want to do is what? You want to add 8 to this side, okay? To be able to remove what? Minus 8, okay? So we have, this is going to be 16. Since we added 8 here, we're also going to add 8 here, okay? So this is minus 8 plus 8, which is 0. So we are left with just 3x, okay? We can say 3x plus 0, since this is 0, is less than what? Now 16 plus 8 is going to give us what? That will give us what? 24. So 3x plus 0 is still 3x, which is what? Less than what? 24. Okay. Now from this point, we can now find what? The range of value of what? X. That what? Satisfies this what? Inequality. Alright, so I'm going to divide both sides by what? 3, which is the coefficient of x. Okay, so we have 24. Also divide by what? 3. So we can now cancel out the 3's at the left hand side. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have our x is what? Less than. Okay, this cancel out this is what? 8. Now, sometimes you may be asked to represent this, on a number line. How do you represent it? Now, it's very simple. You draw a number line, okay? Now, you can have, of course, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since we are saying x is less than 8, so you stop at 8. Now, next is you have to put a circle, okay, at that point 8, and you take it back because x is less than 8. So you have to draw the line back, okay, showing that x is what? Less than what? 8. So this drawing represents x is less than what? 8 on the number line. Okay? Remember, this is pointing this way, which is less than, so your arrow has to what? Point this way, which is what? Less than. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Alright, bye.